Hi friends, Namaste. My name is Ritesh Shah from RS Yoga. And friends, today we are going to learn easy and natural method of cleaning our stomach, detoxing our stomach, which is also called colon cleansing. As we know friends, most of the diseases that occur to us are through our stomach region, that is our navel Nabhi chakra. So if we are successful in keeping our stomach clean, then we can easily eliminate these diseases. So the process that we are going to learn today is called the process of enema. So I will show you the entire enema kit, which is by the way easily available in any of the medical stores, also available online. I'll try to put a link below so you can have a very easy access to it. And I will show you the entire kit and how it's used, and also explain what is the process for enema. So friends, this is the kit that we use. So it comes with a box, one large tube, one lock, the small one, and a small tube. This small tube, friends, is your personal and private tube. So what happens in this is, water, you can fill lukewarm water or normal water in this, and this is kept in your washroom at the top, right? The last tube will get connected to it, and this tube will supply water, and then the lock will get attached, and then your personal tube. So the process is such, friends: you put it in the washroom and fill up water and keep it locked, and then your personal tube goes inside the anus, approximately this much, and then you open up the lock from here, so the water starts passing through this tube, through your anus into your stomach. This is the process, and then in some time you feel the need to pass motion and your stomach gets clean. Now, this is a very natural way of cleaning your stomach. So what will happen initially, what you have to do is, once you complete your morning routines of the washroom, after that you are supposed to take it, so you come to know how much dirt is filled inside. Usually once we go washroom in the morning, we are feeling very clean from inside, but then after taking enema you realize that how much more is left inside. So in the beginning, friends, when just little bit water will go inside your system, you will feel the need to pass motion, and you can just remove the tube and pass the motion. Slowly, as days goes by, as your stomach keeps getting cleaner, more and more water will get filled. In few days, cold water from this box will go completely inside your stomach. In 3 or 4 days, friends, you will feel that I am feeling completely cleansed, and now there is no need to take enema. But I would strongly advise you to take it for at least 10 to 15 days, and try to take twice a day, or minimum at least once a day. This is a very safe system, very natural way. If we ever go to any Ayurvedic or a naturopath center, the first process that they do on us for cleaning our stomach is enema, but that happens via surgical instruments. Lot of time, friends, people come to me and say, sir, we feel very weird doing this, it's very strange, we feel dirty doing this. Friends, there is absolutely nothing dirty about it. It's a very natural process without any side effects. God forbid, if ever we are to be operated for some or another issue, the first thing that doctor performs on us before an operation is an enema to clean our stomach. Same for even for a pregnant lady before delivery, she's always given enema to keep her colon cleansed. So I would definitely advise you all to experience it once and see the before and after effects of enema. Even if you are having let's say symptoms like blood pressure, cholesterol, or any other medical issues, take out your reports, take enema for 15 to 20 days, and then again take your reports. I can assure you, friends, you will find lots and lots of difference in your reports, and it will become absolutely normal. This is our experience with thousands of our students. When you take enema just for around 7 to 10 days, friends, you will also feel a couple of kgs lighter from the stomach region. You will also get benefits of weight loss because we have so much dirt in our system. So it will also help you with a weight loss, and you will feel absolutely light and detox. Friends, if you all have any questions related to this video, related to anima or something, you can comment below or ask on RS Yoga, any of the social networking sites. I will be very happy to answer you all. If you all like the video, please press the like button. Share it with your friends who have constipation issues, who have gas, or who are dependent completely on laxatives for cleansing their stomach. Please share it with them specifically, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Along with the stomach, we also need to cleanse our chest area, that is via Vamandodhi for our acidities and coughs and all, and also our nostril region via Jal Niti for our colds and nostril related breathing issues or something. So that will all be coming in the upcoming videos. So press the bell icon so you get our latest updates immediately. And friends, thank you so much for watching. Ritesh Shah.